Welcome back to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, your time. Thank you for your continued support. Guys, you cannot believe this. I want you to see yourself. Yoruba people are unstoppable. Freedom is indeed sweet. Guys, watch as Yorubas paralyze the activities in Ibadan. They shut it down. Even the police couldn't do anything. They watched in dismay. Watch and let me know your thoughts in the section below. Please watch. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Ọ̀tàn ló pọ̀ nínú gbogbo kan ṣe. Fún ìdí èyí, ẹ̀yin ìyá wa nínú ọjà Mọ̀lété, ẹ̀yin ìyá wa nínú ọjà Bòdè, a mọ̀ bí ẹ̀yin ọlọ́jà yìí náà ni wọ́n máa ń lò. Ẹ má wàá gbàgbé o, bẹ́ ẹ bá jòǹgbé, ẹ má jòǹgbé, bẹ́ ẹ bá fataláìsì kóńgò mẹ́rin, ẹ ti gbàgbé pé ìgbà ọdún mẹ́rin lẹ ti jẹ wa. A sì ti wà nínú ìyà yìí ti pẹ́. Ẹ sọ fún mi, láti dáadé bàbá wa Ọbáfẹ́mi Awólọ́wọ̀ àti bàbá wa Late Bọ́lá Ìgè ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ lọ ṣe gómìnà. Kí ni nǹkan amáyémọdù tá a lè tọ́ka sí ní ìpínlẹ̀ yìí? Fún ìdí èyí, èèyàn tó bá lárò jinlẹ̀, ó yẹ kó mọ̀ wípé àtẹgbẹ́ PDP o, àtẹgbẹ́ APC o, àti APC gbogbo wa pátá. Gbogbo wọn àjẹjẹ bí ọtí ni wọ́n wá ṣèjì bọ́tù bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe rí wọn ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ wa o. Fún ìdí èyí kò gbọ́dọ̀ sí election ní 2023. Ìdí pàtàkì bá a sì tún ní láti sọ̀pọ́ọ̀tì orílẹ̀-èdè tiwa. Tó bá ti pé ní orílẹ̀-èdè wa, a ní láti ní ààrẹ tó gbọ́ èdè wa. Kò gbọ́dọ̀ sí ààrẹ tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo tó wá tí ó máa sọ ajẹ́ fún ìfọ́fẹ́. Ajẹ́ ààrẹ ó lè sọ èdè abínibí wa. Ẹ lọ wo Benin Republic, kì í ṣe pé ààrẹ wọn ò gbọ́ òyìnbó, àmọ́ kò sírú àlejò tó lé ní èdè French ni yóò sọ. Ọ̀dọ́ ti wá sí ẹ lọ wo orílẹ̀-èdè tó bá ti jẹ́ wípé ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà èdè ni wọ́n ń sọ, kò sí sí ìlọsíwájú. Inú ìgbàdí ọkọ̀ Nàìjíríà ti ń wa àwà sẹ́yìn nítorí àwọn gbọ̀ngàn gbòṣèlú àmàbò orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ṣe rí. Wọ́n ṣàdéhùn fún wa pé àwọn sọ dọ́là, àwọn sọ di $1. Kí ló padà wá ní lórí ìrọ́lù? Wọ́n lè wọ́n sọ petrol, àwọn sọ di $50. Àwọn ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ìràmú $200 pọ̀. Tó wá yẹ ká pọ̀ sínú ìlú. Ìyá táwa ń jẹ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́, wọ́n yẹ káwọn ọmọ tá a bá tó ń bí bí ó tó máa jẹ ni. Ẹ bá fún ìlú èyí, ẹjọ́ ká gbàgbé ọ̀rọ̀ òṣèlú. Ẹjọ́ ká fún ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbáyégbádùn lọ́sọ̀rọ̀ òjìire lọ́kùnkúndùn. Ẹyẹ ìyá wa, ẹyọ ìyá lọ́jà, bàbá lọ́jà, àmọ̀ tó mọ òṣèṣẹ́ máa tàn yín tó, àmọ́ ọba tó máa tàn yín tó mọ o. Ẹni àkànni atanidó tanidó mọ, àmọ́ ó ti wá di gbogbo ìgbà. Pàálà kọ̀ọ̀kan, pàálà ìkejì, gbogbo àwọn ọ̀pọ̀ ìgbàlódé ọmọ ẹ̀rọ. Fún ní èyí, ẹyí padà. Ẹ pe àrò inú ní àfi ọ̀dọ̀fin. Ìdí pàtàkì tá a fi ní láti wà ní orílẹ̀-èdè tiwa. Gómìnà fẹ́ dìbò fún, tá a bá ti dìbò fún tán, ìyá fún wèrè ní ní mọ́tò tí ń gbé kí. Ẹ sì lórí ọ̀fẹ́ láti rí mọ́. Ọ̀nàrí ṣe tọ́tọ́ níbùdó ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀kadà ní ìdùn ká tó dìbò fún. Tó bá ti wọlé tán, á lọ retí ti gíláàsì, àní rí mọ́. Fún ní èyí, ẹjẹ́ agbárùkù síra wa. Ìgbà wo la ti tẹ́ mílíọ̀nù yín gbẹ̀yìn? Bẹ́ẹ̀ a sì ń sanwó iná. Tá a bá lọ sí ní Haúsá, wọ́n àti ń sanwó iná, wọ́n sì ń rí iná. Gbogbo nǹkan máyémẹnu pátápátá. Wọ́n nígbà tí COVID-19 bẹ̀rẹ̀, àwọn kò wá lówó. Gbogbo owó náà há ìrìn Haúsá ni. Wọ́n ò fowó lówó nílẹ̀ Káàárọ̀ Oòjíire. Torí wọ́n ti wá gbé ẹ̀gọ́ wọ́n rí pé nílẹ̀ káàárọ̀ òjíire agọ̀dì fún ìdí èyí a gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ wọ́n mọ̀ pé a ò gbọ̀ mọ́ ẹ ti ẹ̀jẹ̀ fún mílíọ̀nù níbo ni igbákejì ààrẹ wà. ẹ sábà yà pírẹ́sìdẹ̀ntì kúrò nínú ìgbésẹ̀ oṣù kan àgbóhùn igbákejì ààrẹ ìgbà tó bá ẹni wọ́n pè ní igbákejì. Ìgbà tí káwà gẹ́gẹ́ ìrẹsìdálù ẹ́sìtà ilé yìí Yorùbá òṣèlú o Yorùbá òṣèlú o ẹgbẹ́ gbogbo owó ó jáde ẹgbẹ́ ó jáde ibi tí ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ tó ti padà sí ní ìgbà tí bàbá wa Ọbáfẹ́mi Awólọ́wọ̀ ibi tí ìgbàjẹ́jádùn ọmọ ìlú àtàrà ìlú yóò ti jẹ ìjọba lógún láti òní òyìnbó ọmọ tí ẹ bá fi sínú ìlú òyìnbó ọmọ náà ti tó lórí ilé ìyá àti bàbá tó bí wọn kò sì mọ́ ẹ wọ Nàìjíríà nígbà tá à ti ẹ̀mí rẹ́kọ̀dù bóun ó sì mọ iye ọmọ tá a bí nǹkan tá à ṣe láti wọn ní rẹ́kọ̀dù òkú nìkan ló ń gba sàtífíkẹ́ẹ̀tì yìí fún ó ní kálọ̀ rẹ̀ rẹ́jísítà fún ní national identification number tẹ́ ẹ bá lọ sí náà òsì ní bá ti rẹ́jísítà nílẹ̀ ẹ dúró ná ìwọ ń parọ́ fúnra lórílẹ̀-èdè ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà dẹ̀ fún ọkọ̀ ojú omi Titanic ni.
ìyàwó dẹ̀ fún lọ́wọ́ jalè.
ọwọ́ ó lè kéré ní èkó ojú omi pátápátá ibi kékeré tó kù yẹn náà lórílẹ̀-èdè ilẹ̀ Yorùbá táwa náà ò bá tètè kúrò bá a bá jọ wọ omi pọ̀ yóò lè rò. Orí ìdí èyí lájọ́ ìpèsè lórí gbọ́dọ̀mù aráàlú ọmọ ìlú bàbá ìlú ìyá ìlú gbogbo lọ́balọ́ba lóyè lóyè pé ẹ sọ̀pọ́ọ̀tì wa ẹ ṣe dọ̀nù.
Oríire! Àṣà ni odò ni wá àṣà àdé dágún Nàìjíríà dágún ni àti kókó dágún ó yẹ sẹrẹ́ndà ni Nàìjíríà ti dágún wọ́n ti kó dàbí wọn.
Àwa ò ṣẹ́rí mọ́ àwa ò ṣẹ́rí mọ́ Yorùbá ìṣẹ́jọ́ bàbá ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan
àwa ò ṣẹ́rú mọ́.
Kí èmi lẹ́yìn àwọn olóṣèlú yìí o, mo bẹ̀ ẹ́ bẹ̀. Bí o kì í ṣe olóṣèlú o, àwọn láti gba ara wa kalẹ̀ nínú ilẹ̀ òmìnira ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ń dá wa fún nìyẹn o. Àwọn ọmọ wa ń jáde yunifásitì wọn ò ríṣẹ́. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Àwọn ọmọ wa ń wa mọ́rúwá. Yunifásitì gàdùn tí ń wa mọ́rúwá.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni kò sí lọ́bẹ̀. Ọmọ ọ̀kadà kò sí lọ́bẹ̀.
Àwọn ọmọ wa ń wa kẹ̀ wọ́n ń wa ọ̀kadà. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa bá wọn? Lórí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lórí bẹ́ẹ̀? Ṣé olórí wa lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ bàjẹ́? Ẹja tí ń tẹ́lú òkú ni wọ́n. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Wọ́n lè má jẹ́ omi. Ẹja tí ń tẹ́lú àbàtà ọ̀gbẹ́ ìmọ̀ yí odò. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Ẹja tí ò bọ̀wọ̀ lórí tí ń sẹ́wọ̀n rí. Ẹja tó ti ẹja lọ. Wọ́n wá ní èdè látàrí ẹja mi. Ẹja wá wẹ̀. Ọmọ wẹ̀ tán lọ. Wọ́n ti ní ìrọ̀rùn, wọ́n ti ní ọ̀rọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n ní ẹja wá sí ẹja lọ. Ẹja bá dénú odò. Ẹja pẹ́jọ bá dénú odò. Ó mú ìyàtọ̀ olúwa ní ìjà àwọn ẹja jẹ. Òní mú ìyàtọ̀ olúwa àwọn ẹja jẹ. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá. Oníyí la ṣe wá o. Oníyí la ṣe wá o. Orí ẹ̀yin àtẹ̀yìn náà ṣe wá o. Ó bá àwọn ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ bí ìbàdí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ń lò ìbò. Wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ ń lò ìbò. Àmọ́ òkú ti à ń jẹ Yorùbá. Jẹ́yẹ́ ti pọ̀ jù. Á láti gba ara wa kalẹ̀. Á láti gba ara wa kalẹ̀. Nígbà wọ́n bá tún nìyẹn. Àti kú ọ̀dọ́ bẹ Nàìjíríà. Àti dádúró. Àti dádúró. Ẹni ò ṣe
Você vai dar Nàìjíríà. Nàìjíríà mọ̀ Nàìjíríà lẹ́sọ̀ fún Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n bá yọ̀ fún
Those guys, after you, they say that you should don't capture their vehicle. They should carry their car to the house. Talk to me. Tell me what's going on here. Can you? Can you? Oh, need that. So this is one of the people participating in the rally. She carried her own placard. I'll show you the placard first. Okay, she will tell us why she did participate for the rally. So tell us your name and tell us why you did participate for the rally. What's going on?
My name is Shukran Sarepai. Why we are participating here? Odua Nation, we want to be in one. Let's gather together. Let me be in one.
Okay, sorry.
Let's gather here to be in one. We don't want any Fulani again. Any terrorists, we don't need that. We want peace. We want rest of mind. We are here to participate in that. We are Odua Nation.
All right, thank you. So, from your own end, why are you participating in the rally?
Oh, we want a freedom for Odua and the people. They have been marginalized Yoruba people for long period. They have been suffering us for a long period. Now we are standing here to fight for our rights. We want Odua Nation, and there's no happy about it. There's no going back until we have our nation.
Do you think by standing on the street is the best way to do this?
Well, it's one of the tools to fight for our freedom. This is one of the elements. We have more than 7 agendas, but this is only one way. We are showing, but we still have many ways. We have been taking many steps before now, so this one is just one of it, and we are still having more.
Yes, we are here to sensitize our people on the need for everyone to see that Nigeria is not a workable arrangement. We have been in it. We have tried our possible best. We've been in several organizations that were calling for one Nigeria. But at the end of it, we find out Nigeria is not a workable arrangement. So we have come here to tell our people that Yoruba now are ready to leave Nigeria alone with their problem. We want to have our own nation. We want to have our own republic. We want to claim our sovereignty from Nigerian government. We want to be free from the few cabal that were ruling Nigeria. We just don't want to be an appendage of anybody. And Nigerian, we are not forcing anybody out, but Yoruba, we are no longer interested in the arrangement called Nigeria.
So how do you see this coming through, sir?
Yes, and if you find out our rally is so peaceful, we've talked to the authority that we are peaceful. We are approaching our yearning peacefully. We are not going to. It's not going to be violent. There will be no smoke out of pipe. It's not going to be violent. We have disseminated our information cut across the whole world. We've sent our letter cut across. We have already suspended Nigerian constitution. The constitution that does not allow you and myself to progress. We have suspended that, and we are saying the constitution currently ruling Nigeria is a constitution of few people, few clique sat down somewhere and write a constitution and say, we Nigeria, we don't want to be part of this corruption any longer. So we are approaching our own mission with peace according to the United Nations arrangement. So we are not the first country to have such an arrangement with the United Nations. So we are moving.
How is your affiliation with the United Nations and other relevant bodies in achieving this?
Well, first of all, we joined the unrepresented people of the world. We first of all joined that group, and we were accepted. I think we are number 45. Why the Biafra become number 46? All right. We have written our letter. The sensitization we are doing now is because we will soon embark on people's opinion, otherwise known as people's poll, which will be the first step before the referendum. After we might have gained enough numbers of people's mind through the people's poll, then we can now tender that to United Nations. It's United Nations only that can conduct a referendum that will be acceptable to the whole world. And if we are coming up, we are coming up.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wò ní Yorùbá sir. Ìdí wo la ṣe wà ń bí lẹ́yìn sir?
Báṣọ̀run Kúnlé Adéṣọ̀kan.
Ìdí tàbí wà lẹ́yìn
The protest continues here in Ibadan, Oyo State, where you have the Yoruba people gathered in the numbers for the protest. They talk say they won't come up from Nigeria. And at the matter, now we don't talk. So for Ibadan, as they dress different attires, carry different placards, carry different posters. They play music, they dance, they holler, they shout. All of them get something to talk. But we're going to bring out the ones who feel they're very relevant to us so that I'm going to hear waiting. Bring guys to talk. Talk to me. Talk to me. I've noticed that you've been so angry since morning.
Exactly.
What is going on?
What is going on? Nigeria is down.
Okay, hold on. Let's go over there. Let's go over there to be safe.
Let's take a walk in the
Okay, so let's continue from where we stopped. What is really going on? Why are you so angry? And you're participating in this rally? I'll hold it.
Nigeria is now not working. Everything in Nigeria is costly. More than 3 times 4, and there's no money. There is nothing on the land. There is hunger everywhere. Gadgets are driving Okada. They are driving Marua. Masters are driving Okada Marua in Nigeria. Is that Nigeria working? It is not working. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. The suffering is too much. We want to go. We want to have our own nation, Yoruba nation, Yoruba nation. We want to go, let's separate.
No, standing in the streets and shouting, is it the best way to go about it?
Yes, that is the best way. That is the best way. That's what we want. Because we have been enjoying almost 1960, we have been having our own independence. We don't have any independence. We are suffering since then. Nigeria have been going backward. We are not even going to improve at all. Enough is enough. This suffering is too much. People are dying hungry in the public. People are dying hungry in the public. Enough is enough. All I say was stand. That's what we want.
All right, thank you, my brother.
Thank you, God bless you.
Just listen to one of the angry youths. We follow, they do the protest today, and him they talk say him no happy as Nigeria take they go. Him they claim say because they get progress, and a part of why they won't come out. And I go ask and say that to fight they for street, now the best option. They say that's what they want to do. We see they ground here for Ibadan, Oyo State, where plenty youths, plenty people gather to do protest, or rather they call them rally, to do rally on top secession matter. Yes, I'm very much aware that to get procedure under the Nigerian Constitution, the person must follow if person wants to secede. And they ask some of them if they don't follow this procedure, they say then they follow them gradually. What could dance to their dance steps? The youths, the children, the adults, the old, the young people, the elderly people, all of them don't gather here today for this protest. They said they will move from here to other places. Would they here? We're going to give you a live update as it happens. I want to also remind body because police presence they here, enough police presence. Security agencies plenty here. When I ask them, they tell me say they're here to maintain peace and order. So they don't come and attack people when they protest and say the protest. The protest no go. No they ban, they go day here. And they go. They should say bandits no take over the protest.
ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú kan àwa màmá la máa ń jẹ̀yẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́ ọkùnrin náà pa àwa ìyá ni ọmọ wa ni tó bá jẹ́ ọkùnrin náà pa ọkọ àwa màmá náà ni tó bá tẹ̀tù wá jẹ́ obìnrin ni wọ́n fi bábá lò ọmọ wa náà ni ṣé rí pé àwọn obìnrin ló kọ jù àdẹ̀lẹ̀ dúró ká máa wo ẹ̀yìn ọmọ wa kó máa ṣe báyìí ìyà tó jẹ wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ yín. Àdáwà tó débi wọ́n sọ wípé wọ́n sọ fún wa wípé wọ́n jẹ́ kó ṣe wọ́n jẹ́ kó ṣe mo ní ìmọ̀ mi. Ṣé báwọn ọlọ́pàá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ìrọ̀lẹ́ àwọn náà? Gbogbo tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yóò kọ́ àwọn náà. Nígbà tá a dẹ̀ débi wọ́n ní torí tiwa làwọn ṣe wá bí. Mo ń sọ ilé ìtòrí àwọn ọmọ ìfọ̀ nǹkan tí ò ṣe. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ wọn fún ọmọ yẹn bí wà wọ́n ní torí tiwa ní kí àwọn ẹ ṣàlàyé fún wa ọjọ́ bá bẹ́ ṣe àwọn ọ̀gá ìjọba
Mama, I want to talk to now. Who talk on our behalf? I want to ask you our president. Just to tell us what thing they happen. Why on our dress like this?
We the women of Odudua land.
Okay.
We the Southwest women. We want freedom of our people. Yes. We cannot stand these X-Men killing our women in the farm, raping our girls, killing our father, killing our boys. No, it has to stop. Nobody can take our land from us. So we need freedom. Nobody can take our ancestral land. This belongs to the Southwest. So we need it. We want freedom. We cannot be a slave in our own ancestral land. So we want freedom. Yeah.
Thank you.
No more Nigeria!
No more nation!
Yoruba nation! Yoruba nation! Yoruba nation! No, Obisese!
Now. sí mọ́ àwọn là ń kọ̀wé jù ẹ sọ gbogbo Haúsá mélòó tó lọ sí Amẹ́ríkà àwọn là ń jáde ẹrú gbogbo ọmọ ìyá wa àwọn Haúsá wa di ẹni tó ń ta tòmátò fún wa àwọn àgbà wa. So now we don't want Yoruba, we don't want Nigeria again, we want Yoruba nation. We want Yoruba nation. Ọmọ máa sọ̀rọ̀ kù, torí tí bá ní kí máa sọ̀rọ̀ lọ, máa gbé gbogbo táìmù kan. Orúkọ tèmi ní kí n jẹ̀ mú, ẹ jẹ́ kí bá ọ̀rẹ́ mi, brọ́dà mi sọ̀rọ̀. Yoruba nation! Yoruba nation! Yoruba nation! Adúpẹ́ f'Olódùmarè! Adúpẹ́ f'Olódùmarè! Adúpẹ́ fún Olódùmarè! Ní àgbo ọjọ́ pẹ́! Ọjọ́ pẹ́! Wọ́n máa rò pé àwọn làwọn le jù. Wọ́n ti gbàgbé pé àwa làwa le jù. Sorry, ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ address the international community. Bí wọ́n bá ṣe ń rí wa níbí, ẹ rí pé a níbọn lọ́wọ́ àbúrò kan. Àwọn tó níbọn lọ́wọ́ níbẹ̀ yẹn, bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ bá kú níbí báyìí, the governor of Oyo State will be held responsible for it. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ bá kú níbí báyìí lẹ́nìí, the federal government will be held responsible for it. Nítorí pé wọ́n gbọ́ gbogbo ọba yìí, kò sẹ́ni kankan tó ń bí lẹ́tọ̀ ìfọkàndánù. Ọjọ́ kẹta tó péye rẹ̀ pé ìtàgbẹ́gbẹ́ the United Nations wọ́n wò báyìí. Àwọn ń jẹ́ kó yé gbogbo ọmọ kọ́ọ̀rọ̀ òjire. Àbá APC jà, àbá PDP jà, àbí ọgbà ọ̀sẹ̀lẹ̀ ṣáàtì 2020. Àbá APC jà, àbá PDP jà, àbá ọ̀sẹ̀lẹ̀ ṣáàtì 2020.
Nigeria so good ni sọ́yà ni wọ́n fi ṣe Nigeria bí alára ṣe Nigeria mọ́ káyọ̀ ní Nigeria látàsìkò yìí yóò bá ní ṣe òun most important for ìyẹn jẹ́ ti pọ̀ jù à ń lọlé àṣẹ mọ́ àṣìjẹ́ jẹ́ ti pọ̀ jù àwọn náà ti sọ àṣàgbà time pé tó bá dákòókò ọmọ Yorùbá ní ó gbára wọn wọ́n pa àwọn ìyàwó wa sùn wọ́n pa àwọn ọmọ wa sùn wọ́n pa àwọn bàbá lóko àwọn àgbà tó dákọ̀ wọ́n pa àwọn lóko ẹ wá sí tẹ́lẹ̀ kọ́mọ sí wọ́n Nàìjíríà dà ní Nàìjíríà dà wà bẹ́ẹ̀ tí màálù ti fálùjọmọ èèyàn lọ màálù fálùjọmọ èèyàn lọ Nàìjíríà dà wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ wá ní kọ́mọ sí wọ́n Nàìjíríà níbo láti ṣe wẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè òkè bàbá àtàǹjọmọ Nàìjíríà ẹ wá ní kọ́mọ sí Nàìjíríà wọ́n sí Nàìjíríà mọ́ kí Yorùbá máa lọ kí Ìgbò máa lọ kọ́sẹ̀ máa lọ pẹ̀lú ọ̀nà wọ́n kálukú ní ìtàlẹ̀ fi sọ̀rọ̀ kìí ṣèjà àbáwọn jà BBC àbáwọn jà.
I'm the former admin secretary of Yoruba Congress.
Perfect. Okay, so I've spoken to some of your people this morning to understand what's going on.
Okay.
But where I'm not yet clear about is what are you doing constitutionally to achieve this your target?
Now, to be candid with you, what we are doing is not against the law. They are domestic and international laws that support the cause of Yoruba self-government. There are local laws and international laws that articulatedly, as written down by those who conceive the idea of the concept of self-determination, that an indigenous nation or a colonized people or those who find themselves in an unholy amalgam have the right to self-determination. From the inception of Nigeria, when Lord Lugard and Lord Accord conspired together to conceive a British business enterprise for themselves, hiding under the garb of the British Empire, Yoruba have always been an independent indigenous nation. It is true we fought among ourselves for 16 years, but there was a time when we come together to resolve those disputes and wars that we have among ourselves.
But that does not reduce the fact that we share common historical patrimony, that we are children of Oduduwa, and our ancestry is homogeneous and is uncompromisable. So with the advent of Nigeria from 1914 to this day, Yoruba have become a carpet beggars in the Nigeria only amalgam. And every effort by the Yoruba intelligentsias, our professionals, to work tirelessly in reforming, reshaping, and redirecting the course of Nigerian development. The oligarchy, who are the internal collaborators with the British external imperialists, have continued to consciously make sure that every attempt by the southern part of the country to make Nigeria move forward, to develop Nigeria, to modernize Nigeria within the context of universal application of knowledge. These federal lords, these oligarchs, these agents of perpetual domination have continued to render the quest of our people to address issues of our human and capital development reality into an abeyance. And that is why we have concluded that the amalgamation of Nigeria in 1940 have expired.
Okay, let me bridge you here and ask a second question. So far, so good. You guys have gathered here today. What is next after today?
You said?
What is next after now?
What we did today, what actually happened was that exactly on December 16, the leaders of the South and the Middle Belt met and issued and declared a force majeure on the 1999 Constitution, which implies that the 1999 Constitution does not come through a democratic process. That there was not a signatory input of the nationalities that owns the country in the making of the 1999 Constitution. It was a decree. So after the force majeure, we gave the federal government 90 days for them to call for a peaceful negotiation on how we will replace the 1999 Constitution with a new negotiated laws, constitutions, and political arrangement that will either satisfy all the regions that were amalgamated together. But unfortunately, after the 90 days, the federal government refused to adhere to the ultimatum that was given to the Nigerian state. And subsequently, we did not go into practical action. We went ahead and we give them an extra 30 days ultimatum, which expired today. And that was the symbolism of what we have come to tell today. To tell the Hausa Fulani oligarchy and the British imperialist conspirators that we Yoruba are determined, we are formidable, we are fearless. It is our land. And under the United Nations law of right of indigenous people to self-determination, under the right of universal declaration of human rights for self-determination of indigenous people, we Yoruba have invoked that right to be an independent sovereign nation. I am Adikuma Konjuola, one of the young frontliners of this Yoruba self-determination struggle. I am the pioneer who started this struggle on social media exactly on 2003. We don't retreat, no surrender. We must have Odua nation. Thank you very much. Odua nation for that matter.
One of the leaders of the protest when they happened here today, they speak big words. But I want to say again that all these words, where did they say, they know the opinions of the BBC, their own opinions, their own end, or work to show now what they happen here. The protest and we do rally, say what they want, say they want their own nation. You see that team of Yoruba people who wear one kind of uniform, they show face, different uniforms don't show face today. Show now, and that's it where they come now. I beg, no vest, what I use here, no vest. Talk to me. Yeah. Where are you guys heading to? Okay, I'll join you guys later. Because I'm still live here. So, which team is this one?
Can't you see? One team will let you one nation.
Yes, just want to get from you people, why are you dressed like this and what's going on from your hand?
These are normal dresses. We only borrow these dresses because we have a lot of things that happening in this country that we don't want Nigeria again. We want to stay aside. So we are now proving that we are free born of Yorubas. That's why we dress in this nature. Thank you.
All right, thanks. Okay, he didn't explain why they wear that. So they wear special attire to commemorate the day. So the attire where they wear. So.
Drone. Yep, go home.
If you disappear from here, it's okay.
We are going. We put on our rally.
The decision has been taken.